Good evening, everyone. The first day of trial is in the books for the woman accused of killing her husband. Prosecutors painting a picture of how he was dismembered and dumped and how his wife soon after filed for divorce.
Many new details of the investigation were released today as 7 witnesses took the stand over roughly 5 hours of testimony. Tonight, the victim's family is speaking about the murder for the first time and believes their loved one's wife is guilty.
A monster?
That's what Norman McCaster's family members call this woman, his wife. 24-year-old Watasha Denton McCaster is charged with murder, dismembering a body, and concealing the death of her 22-year-old husband. This is the area in rural Mechanicsburg where prosecutors say Denton McCaster dumped her husband's torso on October 29, 2012. His head and limbs are still missing. Prosecutors used a projector to show several close-up pictures of McCaster's headless, handless, and footless body. Denton McCaster didn't look at the graphic pictures and showed no emotion. Meanwhile, family members of Norman McCaster full of nothing but emotion.
I don't understand why why she could do something like this to him, because he was just full of life and full of fun. And for something like this to happen to him, it's like, I can't even describe. Why? I don't understand. It's hard.
Evidence presented includes Walmart receipts and surveillance video of a black female prosecutors say is Denton McCaster using a credit card to buy a mask and saw similar to this one 4 days before McCaster's body was found. Another Walmart receipt from the next day, which would have been the couple's second wedding anniversary, shows the same woman buying cleaning supplies, plastic bins, and air fresheners, again with Denton McCaster's credit card. Her attorney called that evidence circumstantial.
If you looked at the evidence that was given, somebody like that should never be on the street. So it would bring closure to our family to see justice served.
A pathologist has not yet testified about McCaster's cause of death, but the lead detective on the case testified he recovered a gun that was loaned to Denton McCaster. Sangamon County State's attorney also told jurors detectives went through Denton McCaster's trash and found items with the victim's blood. The defense maintains Watasha Denton McCaster is not guilty. Family members of Watasha Denton McCaster were in the courtroom today. Her mother declined talking to us. Also not talking to the media at this time, the defense and prosecution, at least not while the trial is ongoing. Denton McCaster's trial is expected to last into next week. If convicted on all counts, she faces 60-plus years behind bars.